Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
A major policy shift this evening in the wake of our Primetime News exclusive report on the big bill the finance minister incurred in just a year. $8 million. Yes, more than his salary.
Labeling the situation as unacceptable, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that the government will now move to cap the mobile phone bills of cabinet ministers.
That decision came out of an urgently arranged cabinet meeting where it was also decided that the cap will apply retroactively.
In other words, ministers will have to find the money to pay bills in the past once the cap is decided. We'll have team coverage of this story today.
But first, what is the finance minister saying? TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the Primetime News follow-up.
$8.3 million, the phone bill for Finance Minister Audley Shaw between March 2016 and February 2017. But on Tuesday, he was in no mood to talk about his misstep.
Hi, Mr. Shaw. Good afternoon. Wanted to get a quick word with you. I know you sent out a release regarding the phone bill.
And one by one, some government MPs also declined to speak on the matter. But members of the opposition described the 7-figure phone bill as alarming.
$8 million is a lot of money to be spent on a phone bill. $8 million is also roughly about 40% of the CDF, which is the money we get to take care of everybody in a constituency. It also is about twice the pay that we receive as parliamentarians.
I think the outrage that Jamaicans would have felt when Minister Brown did it, former Minister Brown did it, is a similar outrage we should feel now, especially that we would have gone through the process already and that we should have learned from the process.
The matter is also of concern to opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, who says the finance minister should protect the public purse.
Probably more disturbingly, it fits into a pattern that we have seen. We've seen in the bushing program, we've seen in the reports of the expenditure for grass for a minister, and now this. What we are seeing is a pattern where public resources are being diverted, either for the purposes of the Jamaica Labour Party or of particular ministers in the Jamaica Labour Party.
Dr. Phillips said he was waiting on the Prime Minister's response to the high phone bill. But on Tuesday, Andrew Holness did not make himself available for an interview. So we asked Dr. Horace Chang.
Prime Minister has them. I can't tell you if he has spoken to anybody yet. My bill has. We are looking at them, but I don't know if he has taken any action on them.
Now, the Finance Ministry indicated that Minister Shaw has since paid $2.6 million towards the phone bill. However, the ministry said the figures were not brought to the minister's attention until TVJ made the request for the information in March. So we asked State Minister in the Finance Ministry, Favour Williams, if she signs off on her phone bills.
Yes, sometimes I get an email with them, and it's generally a requirement for you to look at it to identify what's personal, what's not. Sometimes I get that information.
Do you find it a little strange because the correspondence we got from the Ministry of Finance says Minister Shaw's phone bill about the $8.3 million, it was not brought to his attention until after our ATI request?
Okay, with regards to that, I would direct you back to the ministry.
The high cell phone charges for Mr. Shaw were reportedly due to data usage while roaming, as the minister traveled overseas for official and urgent personal reasons. The 3 highest bills for 2016 were in December, August and October, when it skyrocketed to over $4.2 million. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.